we need to talk about Luis de la Fuente. Charlie, Spain 80 France film no. I have seen a lot of fans mo Boma Kukuela Pedro Pelomo, Rodrigo Cascante, Lamine Yamal, but you're forgetting the money behind it. Luis de la Fuente. Charlie, Spain 80 France film no, a shock me. Because before the game, no, me doubt is painful, no. Well, let me believe in France coach, you know. Did the shop or experience a work up with Etienne Luis de la Fuente. But Luis de la Fuente, woman who said football, no, any experience, after the experience in your maybe. You see, so only me be a dream, so only me a dream, and I said, I don't know, dear, but. Yimu bebre na yinim Luis de la Fuente Spain yimu baby ah. Chale me kaya. This is the worst Spain team in history. That's a coach we 80 Spain team we bobo na chale. We need to talk about Luis de la Fuente. Hey, what is Spain first 11 at war? Busa say. Inti when you want like omuni backup bia omuni substitute like omuni share. And coach in team manage omo to the final. Obi who coach you at the Euros 2024, but I want team and convince amount for after some ultimately Euros no. But me who say Luis de la Fuente and make a big statement. Tell it to be honest with you, Luis de la Fuente are shocking me. You see, amount for a ball players number, so I'm not forget about the coach. But me, I tell Luis de la Fuente team imagine I broke my adrenaline so. This is a time when there's a clubs in Ebedinity. So we team France for every no and any news sir. But looking at how France for a ball, but this is tactically Luis de la Fuente were a master. Me or did the show man who said coach no or a master. Bro. And per coach back one. No who me here a Luis de la Fuente. So Luis Samsa Adentra. Always playing team ni more. There are certain players be or meeting ample ni ba coaching and start or players be or Mudi a phenomenatic coach na say. Almost certain free is Spain for keeper. Tell when you go to Spain for keeper now, the only best keeper right now and you call wow a David Wire. The only best keeper in the Champions League, no, what you best keeper in the Premier League, no, what you best keeper, no, coaching is on start, no, and a phenomenatic coaching, I say. Like coaching, it was some stubbornness. Be any more. Bueno, Luis de la Fuente, Charlie. I didn't coach na no. Hey, on any team, any coach. Oh, you know Simon, and I would deploy. Kabe bo deploy. Even Barcelona wanga san kwampo so kwampo no. Or you far better. But coach na tell me say football anything. Football no like coach who some qualities in players because up to now me need the reason why coach above Ferran Torres, but every single game Ferran Torres ever Bobby tell Luis de la Fuente you may be a Chelsea the Adrian Coso or make some bold decision be a or 21 won't see or not calling him the reason why make his decision a buano Luis de la Fuente it means Spain team way a team as all the team way at what Charlie. On any day, France ever show more tactically, but team beat France for no. I'm a France for no any team I'm Luis de la Fuente. But team me who some you see, I'm over baby na air board than Omo Abaso. And most of Barcelona France no air case than Omo air bar combo bono ewo ebia Basa ema momo Ballestin. Who hear some coach any sir like Luis de la Fuente on he know why I offer some players be because Spain for any players so but ultimately manage more hey tell Luis de la Fuente and tactically bro let's talk about coaching tactically and so with the tactical or strong Luis de la Fuente or you very strong come tactically it's starting game now France and Spain airborne now France for an air mark Spain man to man on say a basse yeah bono man to man on team France embo because on attacking basic France obebono so ideal betiments obe rely on Lamine Yamal so Lamine Yamal impress or the bona on find the beye Charlie, we all need coach and Luis de la Fuente. Me, Luis de la Fuente, nkɔmmɔ na amanfoɔ mfa credit ɛma no no. I think say right now Luis de la Fuente is the most underrated coach. Luis de la Fuente is the most underrated coach. Eba coach mu a. And say right now I think teams 80s no. And it's idea or there you wa send a big statement. Where this Spain team that's a coach we 80 manager mu Charlie. Me they are shocking me. Charlie, I'm shocked. Luis de la Fuente. So nobody is talking about Luis de la Fuente and Emia. You see, nobody is talking about Luis de la Fuente and Emia. Upon everything I coach with Eyama Spain, people are still Bolami Mama Basso. Hi, Luis de la Fuente. Tell a coach, you're mad. Luis de la Fuente, oh, you're mad.